Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to PM Networking. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today in this video, I am going to make you understand how to enable Telnet service in CMD. As you can see in CMD, I can ping www.google.com. Yes, I am able to ping google.com, but let's say I am not able to access the services which is running on Google server. So what I need to do, I need to verify the TCP connection. Yes or no, this is the troubleshooting step. And lots of time interview also asking this question, that if I am able to ping a server but I am not able to access the services which is running on that server, so what is the reason? Okay, so how you will troubleshoot that? For that, you have to check the TCP connection. TCP connection between source and destination is stabilizing or not. So for that, you have to telnet. You can check like telnet www.google.com. After that, port number is 443. But here you can see by default in the CMD we cannot run telnet command. Telnet is not recognized as internal or external command. So this video will make you understand how to enable telnet service to run telnet command in CMD. For that, what you need to do, just you need to open your control panel. In the control panel, you will click on program and features. In program and features, you will turn on and turn off the window feature once, and then here you will get option to telnet. Here you can see the telnet client. So if you want to enable it, you can enable it from here. Say okay. It will take few seconds. After that, you can run telnet command in the CMD. Lots of people were asking this question in comment section. That's why I have made this video. Now you can see telnet www.google.com. Oh, and we need to define the destination port number as well. As you know, for HTTPS, port number is 443. So you need to define that also. Just wait for a second. Guys, by running this command, what you can do, you can check the TCP connection. TCP connection is fine or not. Let me show you that also in this video. So let me close it and let me open new CMD. Here telnet www.google.com and port number is 443. See, if skin is blank, that means telnet connection is there. That means TCP connection is fine. If you want to verify, you can verify as well. What I am going to do, I am going to telnet again to 8.8.8 this time. Telnet 8.8.8.8 and destination port number is 443. Before hitting enter, I am going to open one more CMD in parallel. And here I will run command netstate -en. Right. After that, I am going to run this command first. Telnet 8.8.8 443. This one is not 446, 443. Hit enter. Okay. And now in the other CMD, you can check the TCP connection. So here there will be one connection with 8.8.8. See here. TCP 192.168.1.6. This is the IP address of my computer. 8.8.8 is the IP address of Google. This is the source port number, random port number, and this one is the destination port number, well-known port number, and connection is here. You can see stabilized. Done, guys. Okay, so this is the way how you can enable the telnet service in CMD. Now you can telnet any application layer protocol from here. Done. If you have learned something from this video, please hit on like button, guys. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel as well. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.